I'm getting my Starlights done. I have the box right here. You know what I'm saying? Stuff. The strings are right there, as you see. Yeah. Finna get the headliner taken out. You know what I'm saying? Things like screws on top of screws, whatever, but I ain't doing it. So. Y'all gonna see the aftermath of this mug, huh? Nah. My best friend is not hopping in the back seat. The seat is all the way back. I let that seat all the way back. That's why it's like that. Y'all put the headliner taken out. I'm gonna hit y'all back when it's, you know what I'm saying, done. And I'm also I'm also getting my exhaust done today. I'm putting it on. MBRP exhaust will be coming soon, so I think I'm gonna combine both of these videos in one because it ain't gonna be long enough to make 2 videos. So get your ass out the fucking way. Oh shit. Impatient ass. Man, you gotta take that bad boy everywhere you go. But yeah, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Pee-wee, goddamn, you wanna stretch your legs out or something?
Damn it, shit, cause look. Right here. This is a Mustang Gt too.
Dang.
I'm putting a black suede on that one.
Dang, it's soft like that.
Yeah.
Dang. Yep. So you said this person only getting the the suede?
Yeah, he getting suede.
He should probably look fire with them Starlights in it too.
He getting suede now, 450 shit. I think this is his kid right here.
Okay. Oh, so you got customers. Who headliner is that?
That's I think that's a BMW.
Damn, that was big.
Facts. And I'm putting this one on that one.
Somebody was like, 800 stars is a little too much for your car. I'm like, bro, like, I don't want no gaps in my shit. So it's like, I want them like, yeah, like.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my shit done too.
Yeah, these are my other 2 friends that they, yeah, he got a Mustang and then she got a Ford Taurus. Yeah. Yeah.
The other girl.
Y'all, I'm getting my suede headliner done. Huh? Cause he gotta get in the car and take all that stuff out.
Oh, he put the chairs out for us?
Yeah. Cause he gotta actually get in the car and like move all this and all this. Boy, this motherfucker be fire. He got suede over there for a Mustang headliner and they getting 450 stars. I'm getting 800 in mine. Yep, that's a lot. And then this is his Instagram. Let's see. If y'all in the Dallas area, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can hit him up on the IG. Right chill. You know what I'm saying? Bro, look at this one. The scat. That's the before. And then they had like blue headliner. Now you see this? Well, you see it? Yeah. DGS Customs. Yeah. Damn. God damn. Like we at a co-park. Oh. Y'all, this what it look like, you know what I'm saying? Empty.
Okay, let me prepare myself.
I'm gonna pee on myself. Bust my ass real quick. That shit crazy. Damn. Sheesh. That's dope. That's crazy. Damn. It look crazy on camera. Yeah. That's dope. Yeah. Y'all did a good job. Yeah. It is cold as fuck. Well, it's raining. I'm tired of this damn rain. Look at it. Oh shit, my wallet and fan. What the fuck? But y'all, I got my Starlights done. It's raining outside, but let me close this door. It's raining outside, goddamn. So I gotta close the door because it's rain getting on me and in my car. But got my starlights dead. You probably can't see right now, but yeah, I'm trying to find a way to end this video off. So yeah, got my starlights dead. Shout out to DGS Customs on Instagram. If you are in the Dallas area, you know what I'm saying, Duncanville area, DeSoto area, whatever, DFW area, goddamn. Be sure you guys hit him up for starlights. I'm trying to find his Instagram so I can show you guys again. Oh, my service. Oh, my lips. I'm looking at. But here's his Instagram. It's not loading for me. DGS Customs. And then he has another Instagram or his friend that he works on him with, or cousin, I don't know. But my service is boo-boo right here. What the heck? And I'm outside. Here it is. And here's another Instagram. Y'all can see that too. Be sure you guys hit them up. You know what I'm saying? If you want any suede headliner, suede headliner, headliner repair, you know what I'm saying? Starlights, you know, so hit them up, you know what I'm saying, if you want all that done. I have 800 stars. As y'all seen when they took them out, I showed y'all the box so y'all know what it looks like. And then this what it look like. You see it? This is 800 stars in a freaking Mustang. So this is what 800 look like. I know the video probably gonna do it justice, but yeah, 800 stars. It's really, really nice. It's a lot of stars, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. And then look, they did them up here too. You know, right here. If the camera does justice, it's too much for it to focus. But yeah, I got the app, and I don't know if they put the remote in here, but they probably didn't give it back. But I have the app, so I ain't really tripping. But here's the app. You know what I'm saying? The app is called My Smart LED right there. Boom. Let me turn this radio in. My Smart LED, they got all types of functions and stuff. So right now I'm trying to green. It's green. Look, blue. Wow, blue. You know, the twinkle effect or whatever. I don't know if these twinkle. I don't think these twinkle or whatever. It might be twinkle, but I don't have the meteors. The meteors where it's like, you know, shooting stars and stuff. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. It ain't bad at all. It's not. They did a good job. So shout out to them, DGS Customs, and the other Instagram, RS Customs. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are in the DFW area, hit them up. This mother look good on camera. I ain't gonna lie. What the heck? It's pressure. That motherfucker pressure. But be sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure you guys follow me on my social medias down below in the description. I got water on my glasses. And then make sure you guys also, you know what I'm saying, hit them links down in the description down below and follow my other YouTube channels, because this is not my only channel. So yeah, I got a gaming channel, vlog channel, car channel. This is a car channel, but yeah, I got like 5 channels, trucking channel. So I'm everywhere, god dang. So yeah, yeah. And I'm gonna catch y'all in more videos. More videos coming soon, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, look at that once again. Look at that starlights once again. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, ain't it? Nah, I'm playing. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.